Have you ever imagined witnessing Mexico's beauty from the skies? From ancient pyramids to vibrant cities and serene beaches, it's stunning. Today, we'll embark on an exciting adventure. We will showcase not only famous landmarks, but also hidden gems. Prepare for breathtaking aerial views that will change how you see Mexico forever. We begin our exploration in Mexico's heart, where history and nature beautifully intertwine. Our first destination is Chichen Itza, a new seven wonder of the world. From high above, see the grandeur of the pyramid, rising majestically above the jungle. Once a powerful Mayan city, it symbolizes Mexico's rich cultural heritage. Close to Chichen Itza lies Cenote Iquil, a natural sinkhole surrounded by lush greenery. Aerial views reveal the stunning blue waters contrasting with the surrounding jungle. It invites you to dive deep into history and nature. Next, we soar over Mexico City, one of the world's most vibrant metropolises. From above, it's vast and dynamic, with stunning sights in every direction. Take in the Palacio de Bellas Artes, showcasing striking white and gold architecture. See the Zocalo, the main square blending ancient and modern. It's a lively space, pulsing with the city's energy. Nearby is the Basilica de Guadalupe, a premier Catholic pilgrimage site. A drone's perspective reveals the expansive plaza, significant for millions of visitors worldwide. Heading east, we explore the Riviera Maya, where Caribbean waters meet idyllic beaches. From the skies, the coastline dazzles, showcasing turquoise waters and vibrant nightlife. And we can't forget Tulum, a coastal paradise with ancient ruins atop cliffs. Aerial views explain its popularity as one of Mexico's most photographed locations. Don't overlook Cozumel, famous for its pristine reefs. From above, you can witness colorful marine life thriving beneath the surface, crucial for divers and snorkelers. In northern Mexico, we find Barrancas del Cobre, a canyon system even larger than the Grand Canyon. A bird's-eye view captures its rugged beauty and vastness. This area has been home to indigenous communities for centuries, with the land holding stories of ancient civilizations. As the drone glides over cliffs and waterfalls, its majesty unfolds. Now we venture to Baja California, where deserts meet the ocean. From the air, see the striking contrast of golden sands against the deep blue sea. In La Paz, the capital of Baja California Sur, take in views of the Sea of Cortez. This UNESCO World Heritage Site teems with marine life, from whales to sea lions. Don't miss Cabo San Lucas, renowned for the iconic Arch Rock Formation. Aerial views reveal a fantastical landscape where two seas converge. Continuing south, we reach Oaxaca, a place where indigenous culture and colonial history coexist vibrantly. The ancient city of Monte Alban, visible from above, offers stunning historical context. In Oaxaca's streets, vivid market colors and lively festivals reflect a rich local culture. Drone footage shows a city pulsating with life and heritage. From ancient ruins to modern cities and hidden canyons, Mexico's allure is diverse and breathtaking. Through our aerial lens, we've explored this stunning country in new ways. Yet the most breathtaking views can't capture the warmth of Mexico's people. Here, history and culture harmoniously converge in fascinating ways. Whether planning a visit or dreaming of exploration, Mexico offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining this aerial adventure. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.